uh Introducing my new business. So I've just launched my new business, which is called keithzdem.com. So this is the website here, and I've actually created the website for it. So what is this new business that I've created, and what is it all about? Well, this is my online shop, but I'm sure you might be having questions like, I know you already have got an online shop where I sell forex courses, indicators, okay, and other stuff. But this is a new business that I want to try out. Okay, I usually do with online stuff, like almost everything that I do which involves making money is online based. But I've given myself a challenge and tried to see if I can actually do a business that requires me meeting new people, selling things to people. So I couldn't think of any other thing apart from drop shipping. So what is drop shipping? How can I explain this? So when it comes to drop shipping, it's similar to affiliate marketing, but for drop shipping, all you need to do is simply create a website. When you create a website, simply find a supplier and connect your website to a supplier. But here's what happens. So people have to come to your website, and when people come to your website, they simply buy things from your website. But here's what happens: when people buy things from your website, you as a seller of the on that website, it's your job or responsibility to deliver the things to the customer. Okay, but behind the scenes, what happens is that, for example, I myself, since I'm a dropshipper who doesn't have the items, but I have to buy them from the supplier and then deliver to the person. So I can either buy the things and deliver to the person myself, or the supplier can deliver on my behalf to the customer. But the customer won't know that these parcels came from another supplier. Everything will be in my name. So dropshipping is more like an automated business, and we don't usually have to buy things physically. We can simply buy them when someone pays for them. Okay, so dropshipping is really a good business, especially in other countries, and can also work in Zambia, and we're going to see if it's going to work. So the only way this business can actually work is, first of all, people have to trust you, because you don't have the products like physically there and then. So which means that when people send money, okay, they have to wait for you to deliver. And when it comes to sending money to people you don't know is a challenge, because these days it's hard to trust anybody. You can't just send money to anyone. But luckily, I'm really a trusted person in Zambia. A lot of people trust me. Yeah, so I think the trust issue won't be a problem unless for people that do not know me. The other thing is getting people to know about what you sell. So advertising, that's another thing. So I'm not going to spend money on advertising. I'm simply going to be using the platforms that I actually already have, such as my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and stuff like that. Yeah. So I'm going to start small. So this is basically what dropshipping is all about. So what am I going to be selling on my dropshipping website? So let's try to read what's here. Okay. This is Keith Zedium, Tech Haven for computers, meaning a place where you can get things like you can trust. Okay. So welcome to Keith Zedium, Zambia's Tech Haven. For electronics in Zambia, a trusted and secure place for anyone to find and purchase tech products. Okay, so currently all you need to do is simply click on shop now, and you're going to find things. So as of now, I'm only selling things that I'm actually using. But why am no, I'm not really selling the stuff that I have right here, but I can get you the stuff that I use. I can buy for you the stuff that I'm currently using if you want them. Okay, for example, the monitor that I'm currently using right now is a Telefunken monitor. Okay, if you want an iPhone 15, I can get you, but I'm not using an iPhone 15. I'm actually using an iPhone 13. Then this audio system that I'm actually using right now is actually this one. I can get you this one if you'd like for your videos like this. I can get for you and deliver for you here in Zambia. And the laptop I'm using is actually HP Victor's. If you want a gaming laptop like this one, I can help you order online. Then the Lavera mics, I also use these sometimes, especially if I'm using my Android phone. Then there's also the tablet, okay, the phone holders, the 65-inch TV that is right behind there, and so on. So currently, if you're interested in this stuff that I use, I can help you get them, but I won't limit myself to only sell things that I actually use. Okay, I also try to add things that you can actually buy. So now the question is, why do I buy these things and how long does delivery take? So as you know, in Zambia, like when you buy things that do really take long to come. But when you buy things from me, okay, you're guaranteed that you're going to receive everything within 2 weeks. Okay. So that way you won't have to suffer like to wait for a month and some weeks just to receive things. Okay, because when it comes to buying things online, I hate waiting. That is why I would prefer like spending more money and buy something locally than having to wait for a month just to get something cheap. So I understand that you might be having the same pain, but I don't want to wait and rather pay an extra amount just to get something which is already there. But this is why I'm guaranteeing that you're going to be able to receive within 2 weeks. So 2 weeks at least is fair enough of time for you to actually wait for something. So your support to my new business will be highly appreciated. Yeah. Okay, I guess this is it about my new business, and let me know what you think about this and wish me luck. But for now, this is Keith.